At Coastal Investment Company, we believe the most compelling opportunities are often found outside the public markets. We also know that access is everything, because when access, alignment, and disciplined investment strategy come together, long-term wealth creation becomes possible.
Coastal's primary focus in today's market is on institutional-grade alternative investments across real estate, growth equity, and venture capital. On the real estate side, we invest in high-demand asset classes, including multifamily housing, self-storage facilities, car wash platforms, build-for-rent communities, and assisted living and specialty housing. Our strategy focuses on high-growth regions experiencing strong population migration, typically in expanding submarkets where demand for essential assets continues to increase. We partner with companies that demonstrate strong fundamentals and scalable potential.
Our advisory team spends a significant amount of time sourcing opportunities across the country. We work with experienced operators and developers, what we refer to as sponsors, who have demonstrated track records within their respective asset classes. Each opportunity undergoes a rigorous evaluation and due diligence process by our internal advisory team. In many cases, only one or two opportunities out of hundreds that cross our desk advance to the full due diligence process. Our reputation with investors and partners is built on and protected by our disciplined underwriting and selective approach.
Our relationship with investors extends beyond individual investment opportunities. This often includes planning around liquidity events and tax strategy, helping clients proactively about how capital is created, preserved, and redeployed. Many of our clients are actually business owners and entrepreneurs, and at some point they face one of the most significant financial events of their lives, the sale of their business. Through Coastal's advisory platform, Coastal Consulting, we work with these owners at every stage of that process. Our goal is to help clients maximize the value of what they have built and transition that value into long-term wealth through investment opportunities.
Tax strategy plays a critical role in long-term wealth preservation. At Coastal, we work closely with investors and their advisors to identify tax-efficient investment structures and planning strategies that can help optimize outcomes, because ultimately, wealth creation isn't about what you make, it's about what you keep.
A key advantage of Coastal's platform is our ability to participate in the projects across multiple stages of the investment lifecycle. Through Binco Commercial, Coastal's affiliated construction platform, we have the capability to self-perform construction across select asset classes. By participating closer to the source of the opportunity rather than further down the investment chain, we believe we are better positioned to create value for our investors.
Alignment is a cornerstone of our philosophy. Coastal invests our own capital alongside our investors in the same opportunities we present. We take a disciplined approach to evaluating opportunities, structuring deals, and managing risk. We believe there is no substitute for investing shoulder to shoulder with the investors that we serve.
As a private investment platform, Coastal Investment Company operates within a regulatory framework designed to protect investors and ensure transparency. Maintaining strong compliance standards and investor protections is a fundamental part of Coastal's commitment to operating with discipline, transparency, and integrity.
Every Coastal investor is treated with an exceptional level of support and communication. Each client has access to a secure investor portal, providing a centralized dashboard for their investments. Through the portal, investors can review documents, track distributions, and stay informed with project updates and market insights. Our operations and investor relations teams work closely with clients to provide consistent updates on fund progress and key investment milestones.
My name is Greg Meerbaum. I'm the CEO of Coastal Investment Company, and I built this platform because I was once exactly where you are. Successful, looking for the right place to place capital, put it to work, and realizing that the investment world just wasn't built for people like us. Coastal exists to change that.